So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to fill the background color of a chart to a different color in a Keynote presentation. So what I mean by this is, for demonstration, if you were to add a chart, just a 2D chart right here, to your design, I'll just go ahead and I'll make the color scheme pink and purple just like this. What I will also do right here is I will what can I do right here? I want to just, it doesn't really matter. Now, what this basically means is if you want to change the background color here, so the background color is currently white, press on the chart right here, scroll down to this side, go to the right hand side, scroll down to where it says background fill and border style. Just like this. So simply, if you want to go to color fill just like this, you can actually change the color in which so I'll just go ahead and I'll just make the background a little bit more prevalent, just so it's easier for you guys to see what I'm referring to. If I wanted to make the color green, just like that, look at that beautiful thing. Brown, you can change it to blue, green, whatever the case may be. You can now change the background of your chart without impacting the background of the actual slide itself. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to fill the background color of a chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.